Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're gonna see the project of Smart Encryption Solution or data security with sensitive keyword detection and access control. In this project, we will be seeing that how the files and the data are being attributively distributed to the users and they can access it through it. So we will be using the MLP technique to identify the sensitive keywords, and the attribute-based encryption we're going to do using the elliptical curve cryptography, which is ECC. So this is like a system that automatically works for the sensitive data and encrypts it with encrypts the sensitive files and stores it in the cloud storage which we are using, which is Drive HQ. So this is the project where it's gonna secure our data flow towards the using the attribute based. That means that whichever the attribute we assign the data, that alone attribute or the domain peoples can be able to use it or access it. So without any further delay, let's get started. So this will be the front end of yours where you will be logging in. If you start your project saying python app.py, which is this file, you're gonna start and the server starts over here. Server starts and you're gonna see the output like this. So here we're gonna log in as an admin right now. So admin is the password that I've given. This is the dashboard, and you will be seeing that home is this, and the data owners, all the data owners that has been created are over here, and we can edit also. And the files that are being uploaded from the data owner side will be listed over here with the data owner name who has uploaded and the file name and all that. Okay. And all the users, if you are registering as a user, then all the users will be listed over here. And change password, the admin can change the password over here, and finally log out. We're gonna log in as a data owner now. So Hemant is our user and 1 2 3 4 5 is the password. Oh no, let me check the password over here for the data owner. And I have John and the password is 1 2 3 4 5. If you log in, this will be the dashboard of the data owner now. So there will be home page and there will be users. Note that here the data owner can create the data user, okay, and the files uploadation can be done from the data owner side, where it gives the access to the attributes all over here. So if it is neurology, if it is orthology, dermatology, whatever is there, it's gonna give now it is assigned to neurology, so it is here. So the files are here, and data owner is going to give the file access to which attribute it has to be assigned to this file. So it will be configured from here. And the change domains. These are the domains that we have created. Either you can add or delete anything. The CRUD operation may work here. So you're gonna make it here. Okay. Fine. And the change password. The data owner can change password of theirs. The profile. The data owner can see their profile and update as well. And finally log out. Okay. And if you see in the side of data user, the database, if you come data user, the password will be 1235. Yes. So this is the data user side, where only the files which is given access to the particular domain. The John, now as we can see here, John belongs to the attribute of 1001, which belongs to the neurology. So that's why the file is listed over here. Okay, if we log in as a different attribute or a different domain, this file will not be available for them. It will not be shown to them. So if you click on download, finally the files gets downloaded. Okay. So now let me show you the demo for that also, how the sensitive everything is getting detected. And yeah, and the profile of the user he can see, and the change password and logout he can do. And coming to the data owner again, John 1 2 3 4 5. If you log in, the users, let me create another user saying lily@gmail.com. Okay, it's name Lily and the email is Lily. Password will be 1 2 3 4 5. I have created. Let it belong to cardiology. Okay, and submit. If I do that, the user will be added now. Okay. Now I'm gonna upload a file which I will give the access to the cardiology. Okay. So if I choose the file, if I'm medical, let me give the file. Since medical file is already been uploaded, so I'm not gonna give the same name. So I'll just try to change the name. I've copied it over here. I'll just copy it here. Oh, here's the one. So I will give it like 001. Okay, now this file I'm trying to upload. First of all, let us see what the contents are there in this. Here in this file we will be having some of the content related to the medical, which is very much sensitive for an patient. Okay, so basically the problem, the disorder that they have, and the complexity of about their health, all are over here. So they don't want to disclose this. So that's why, in order to keep that safe, the records, this data is going to be what is it, identified as an sensitive through our mechanism, and finally it will be encrypted and stored, and it will be only available for that particular domain. So if you come here in your code, you will be seeing data.py. Okay, so here are some of the sensitive data you're gonna mention over here. We have around 250 sensitive data. Okay, this, if you run this data.py, python data.py, if you run that, everything will be inserted into your database in the table of sensitive data. Here you can see your entire sensitive data. Okay, this is your data set. Fine. Now we are going to upload the files, and we're gonna just give a short remark, and we're gonna just say like this, the patient new. Okay, if I click on submit, see this is the pop-up where it shows like sensitive data detected. Do you want to upload the file? If you say yes, it will be uploaded. If you say no, it will not be uploaded. So if you click on upload, yes, then the file will be uploaded safely to our cloud storage. As you can see here, medical 0001 is uploaded. Now I'm going to give the file access to the cardiology and submit it. If you see, the cardiology is assigned to it now. So I will log out and I will go to the data user, which I have created just now, which is Lily, lily@gmail.com 12345. Now you will see that that file is listed over here, whereas the previous, the medical 01, is not listed over here. So if I click on download, it will be downloaded and it will be in the readable format. Now let me show you the cloud storage where it got stored. Let us come to the file upload. Yes, can you see this .enc? Previously which I uploaded is 01.txt enc, and now just uploaded it is medical 0001 txt encrypted format. So but while we download through this through the access control, we will download in the readable format. Okay, this is our project idea, where, as the abstract says it, everything attribute-based encryption is done using the ECC algorithm, and it automatically encrypts the data it stores into the cloud storage, and it's accessible through the attribute-based logins. Okay, so this is the project idea about